Hello everyone. Today is Tuesday. It's about 1:30 p.m. We are performing a sewer inspection at the property at 1046 Chautauqua Boulevard in the city of Pacific Palisades. We have accessed the sewer line via 4-inch clean out from exposed pipe in the garage. The pipe right here, it's 4-inch cast iron. It goes down into the ground and then it comes across towards the it comes across the garage towards the front of the garage door. We were able to push it up to this point so far because there's a solid blockage right here. We tried to push the camera in, but it wouldn't go any further than here. So at about 27 feet, I already pinpointed the location, and it's at about 1.5 foot deep. In addition to that, there's another problem with this 4-inch cast iron that I'm going to show you in just a few seconds. Which is right here, right about I would say at about 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, I'm sorry. There is a root growing into the cast iron pipe. It is not common to see a root growing into the cast iron pipe. The only times when that happens is when the cast iron has exceeded its lifespan. And that means that there is a crack on this line. That's the only reason why roots get into the sewer line. Okay, so pipe probably it's poor at this section right here. You can see all the roots growing in this area. Again, I pinpointed this line. It's inside the garage and it's at about 1.5 to 1 foot deep inside the garage. Okay, so from here we're going to come all the way out. You keep seeing the roots around the pipe. Okay, and then we're gonna come out and I'll show you the 4-inch clean out that it's inside the garage on exposed cast iron pipe. Okay, there it is right there. That's a 4-inch pipe. Okay, we are in the garage. That's the garage door, and we're gonna move to the next clean out that it's on the south side of the house. Okay, so we'll resume the video in a couple of minutes. Okay, this is the second part of the sewer inspection. As you can see on your bottom left of your screen, at 7 o'clock, you can see the counter. It says 196 feet. So that's how far I am from the clean out on the wall on the south side of the property. So it looks like there is easement running on the back of the property. It's where the sewer line connects for this house. The entire condition of the sewer line from this point out up to where I am right now, because that's how far I can go with my camera. There's no more cable left inside my reel. Everything seems to be in very good condition. The pipe that you're looking at seems to be a 6-inch. It used to be clay, but now you can see the lettering, and that tells me that this line has been rehabilitated with what it's called liner. I'm sorry, liner. It's a fiberglass sleeve mixed with epoxy that builds a whole new pipe inside the existing one. Okay, so it builds a whole new 3 millimeter, or it could be up to a 4.5 millimeter thickness of the liner that will create a whole new pipe. If there is a crack on the line or on the joints of the pipe, this will seal completely those cracks or those joints. making it almost impossible for roots to grow back into the line if there was any at some point. So I'm gonna start pulling the camera back so you can see the entire line. I checked it on the way in. It looked really good to me, but we're gonna see it together now. Okay, as you can see on this section right here, there is a transition and also different colors on the pipe. The transition is from 6-inch sewer lateral to a 4-inch sewer pipe. Usually this is right at the property line, but again, in this case, the sewer line runs to the back of the property. At least that's what my locator was indicating. Okay, so this is a 4-inch ABS plastic, and it's still in good condition all the way out to the clean out right here. So let's keep checking. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit, otherwise it's gonna be a really long video where there's not much to see. Again, sewer line looks in very good condition to me, all the way up to the cleanup. Okay, I'm getting closer to the access point, and once I'm out of the sewer, I'm gonna point the 3-inch clean out on the wall on the south side of the house. Okay, which is right there, and this concludes today's inspection. We will wait to see what happens with the front part. It looks like we're gonna be hydrogening the line. Okay, so we can check the rest of the line. That's it for today. My name is Jose Palma with Drainbuster Rooter. Hello, today's Thursday, and it's about almost 1 o'clock p.m. This last video of this sewer inspection is for 1046 Chautauqua Boulevard in the city of Pacific Palisades. This is the continuation of the sewer line for the first portion of the video, where I was able to find a solid stoppage or blockage down the line from the garage coming to the main line. On the second video, on the second section of the video, I have said that there is an easement on the back side of the property. I gotta do or make a correction on that portion. The city connection or the sewer line runs out to the street where it meets with the public city sewer. So there is no easement on this property. There is a city street sewer connection that is where the sewer line goes out to. So it goes right by the driveway all the way from the house to the middle of the street. Okay, so this is the connection from this garage bathroom into the main line that it's in the driveway. So I'm going to start pulling back so we can see what was blocking the line. Obviously the blockage has been removed, and so we can finish the inspection today. This material right here seems to be a 4-inch ABS plastic pipe, but then it transitions to a 4-inch cast iron pipe at this point right here. So we are about 37 feet from the clean out on the exposed pipe in the garage. This is 4-inch cast iron. There's a 45-degree turn right here. There's another 45-degree turn. Right at this section, at about 9 o'clock, we can see some roots growing into the sewer line. This is a 45-degree turn that it's by one of the trees by the main entrance to the little hallway of the house. Okay, this portion of the pipe right here seems to be a 4-inch clay. Steel clay right here, and then it goes back to cast iron at this section right here, and this is where the roots are getting into the sewer line, right at this transition from cast to clay. Okay, this is where the blockage was when I did the first inspection on the first part of the video. Okay, I have pinpointed this area. Okay, so that's where the roots were, or there's still roots right here, because they have access to the sewer, and they will continue to grow until this area is properly repaired or replaced. Okay, from there to here, I recall there was another section of roots around this area that needs to be either replaced or repaired accordingly. Okay, other than that, that is the only two issues that we found with this sewer line throughout the house. Okay, right at this section, at about 9 o'clock, you can see a crack, like a hairline crack on the cast iron pipe. Okay, I'm about to come out of the sewer line from the 4-inch clean out in the garage. Okay, I'm coming out of this sewer line. This is the clean out. and that's the area where I have pinpoint the compromised pipe. Okay, that's it for today, and this concludes the inspection. My name is Jose Palma with Train Buster Wood.